Yes, welcome to another gaming video. This one it is impossible quiz. Let's begin. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. I can't wait anymore. Start. How many holes in a polo? 1, 2, 3, 4. We all know it's one. But of course it isn't. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 4! Oh, right, cool. Okay, can a match box? What? Can a match box? Am I reading that right? Okay, yes, no, but a tin can. Yes, wouldn't be. Let's go for tin can. Oh, I did it! Yeah! Okay. Wait. Why is the dot there? Wait. Oh, I see. Answer. Not shit. Answer this question backwards. What? I don't understand. Tennis elbow KO. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, okay. Click the. Oh my god. Alright, I'm lucky to actually. Yeah, I wasn't actually going to click that. Yeah, let's go for it. Put the mouse over here. Okay. Now don't touch. Eh? How? How do I do that? Have we got one life? I don't want to die. But. Oh, of course. Of course, you pull your mouse out of the game. Right. Onion, 28. Carrot. Sort of what I draw an onion. So, no, hey, let's cross that one out. So, 50-50, carrot or shallots. Carrot? Ah, god damn it! No! Okay, try again. How many holes was it? 4? Yes. Can I match box? No, it was the tin can. Okay. The answer. God, I'm good at this game. Right, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna hope I'm right. It's a shot. Yes! Okay. The answer is really big. Answer, but in really big writing. Really big. An elephant or infinite. Infinite's infinite. Oh, god damn it. Okay. I'm gonna go for elephant. No, it won't be elephant. No, it can't be elephant. That's stupid. Really big. Oh god damn it! No. Sorry, elephant. Of course it is. Okay, search. Okay, I don't have a timer. Keep looking. Okay. Keep looking. Sad faces. Sad faces everywhere. Oh, I found it! Yeah! Alright, what was it? It was 4 holes. No, but a tin can, which was, yeah, there. Yeah, photographic memory for the win. That one. Choose food. We've got gloves, yeah. Eyes, teeth, chair, or pen. Choose. Oh, choose food. Choose, I get you. What falls December the 2nd? December the 3rd? 142 dwarfs? A question mark? I don't know anymore! Skip it. Click the smallest eye. That's too big, that's too big, that's small, that's too big, but... Wait a minute. Gotcha. Right, okay. What sound does a bell make? Whoop, ftang, vroom, blip, blop, blop, manga, I like a woof, nobby, frap. Numbers and ooh, scrap, babble, did, bubble, whoop. Oopa, dabba, skippa, da, boop. Okay. Not that one. Let's take that one off. Put a big red X on that one. No. Okay, so, whoop, ftang. Oh, prawn. I like ftang. Sounds better. Yeah, got it. Alright. What can you put in a bucket to make it lighter? gypsies, torch, a hole, or canned laughter. What? Right. Canned laughter? God damn it. 14. Okay, answer. Yeah, you there. You go there. Schlots. An elephant. Search. It was somewhere here. Yes. Okay, it was that one. Choose food. I shouldn't have skipped this one, so I'm just gonna remember the answer. Yes, it's the end. I need to remember that. Okay, it was the fatang. I don't want to. I went for the canned laughter last time. Oh, a torch. Yes, I got a torch. And now what's this one? NEIGH, WHINNY. What? NEIGH, WHINNY. What? I don't understand. I don't get it. Horse? Oh! Okay, we got the H. Oh. Oh my god, I'm getting it right. Oh my god! Yes! Right, okay. What is the 7th letter of the alphabet? Now I know this one. But I don't think it's going to be the one I think it is. So I'm going to skip this one. Because I only have one life and this is the impossible quiz and that's too easy. Okay, 24 minus 7. No, leave me. Why is what the hell? It's walrus, it has to be. No! Oh no. Anyway guys, that has been the impossible quiz. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see some more. Alright, bye bye!